Hi, Hobby King, and not only Hobby King, now start selling of new line of airplanes, RC airplanes, Retroline. So in Retroline you can buy old look model, yes, models, because more models will be in this line. Old look models with vintage design, with actually fake design, yes, because you can see some imperfections by classic old construction with balsa wood and paper, model spun and similar, with old motor, but this is all fake, because model is from IPO, inside is brushless motor, speed regulator, standard servos, etc. But why not? Because for someone it could be hard decision. Oh, never, this is not pure. This is not pure, because pure vintage and pure oldtimers must be from balsa wood and paper and with 50 years old motor, etc. But for someone, any old man who memories on his start in RC modeling, it could be easy way to start again with RC flying, with easy use with brushless motors and with LiPo batteries, with tough model from IPO. So I think for someone it could be impossible, for someone it could be nice choice. So what is inside? First model from Retroline is model Junior. Inside was really many protective foils. Many of these foils removed. So inside is nice instructions, really nice instructions. Duraflies is something like a top class of Chinese IPO manufacturer, yes, model manufacturer. So instruction manuals perfect, without any problems. Instructions are in English language, German language and French language, yes, with all instructions, not only about build of model, but about flying, about setting, yes, really nice instructions. Wing is from two halves, with, I don't know if you will look it, see it, it is with nice vintage design. Color is slightly yellow. I don't know what is this mean. Why on this nice airplane black servo here? I think only small piece of sticker in same color, and here too, and it will be okay. Okay, we can make it, it's easy, but I think this Durafly could make himself. Yes, so, but wing is nice, quality is okay. This wing is with big angle. Yes, it will be very stable model, because original of this airplane was probably, but I am sure, was free model without RC controlling, without radio. So original must fly without control by pilot. So it will be very stable model, and in good weather condition it will be nice flying. Wing halves are connected with this wire, aluminium wire. Of course, it's nothing for any hard aerobacy. Yes, but if you bend this wire, it's nothing impossible, nothing difficult. Make new, maybe from harder material. So wings wire and gear or undercarriage. It's very robust with nice tires with big diameter, and this undercarriage is robust because it is in front position of center of gravity, because this airplane has a short nose, and for right center of gravity everything is in front of center of gravity, including undercarriage or gear. Here is fuselage. Again, I think it's nice. Servos are inside, speed regulator inside, brushless motor inside, this fake old motor, battery space for battery, cables. One important thing, this model has with prepared V cable for aileron servos. So if you want control each servo separately, you must make new cables for ailerons, because now it is with V cable. And here inside is space for battery, something about 1 and 1.3 amp hours. Here is small imperfection, less colorless here, but I think it's nothing tragic. Again, with vintage design, I think it's okay and nice. What is interesting, wing on this fuselage will be fixed with 4 nylon screws and with rubber bands. But these rubber bands will be here only for design, only for look, for vintage look. But I don't like it very, because 4 nylon screws and many rubber bands, I think maybe I will fly only with rubber bands. I will check it if this is enough about strength. But if it will be okay, I will fly only with rubber bands. So, on fuselage we will add this nice elevator, and with this one plastic part, nice rudder. Yes. All is prepared. I think it will be very quick build, only completion of model. So, fuselage. Elevator, again with vintage design. Same like rudder. Yes. And what is inside? Inside is one small bag with small parts. Plastic parts for fix of the wing, rubber bands, I'll tell you about this, nylon screws, 2 propellers, small part for protective of wing against the rubber bands, parts for fix of undercarriage on a fuselage. About undercarriage, I will show you. How I tell you, center of gravity will be, I don't know now exactly, somewhere here. Yes. So, only this short part in front of center of gravity, and long part back of center of gravity. So we know this EPO fuselage on this back part is absolutely heavier than old constructions with balsa wood and paper. So we must everything put in front of place of point of gravity, center of gravity, including motor, speed regulator, battery. Battery will be here in this place, and undercarriage. But this is old look. This is same like on old airplanes. So today I will complete this model, and tomorrow, if will be good weather condition, I will make some first flights, and of course I will show you video later. So have a nice day, and thanks for your watching, and sorry for my English.